Today, we're taking post-frame construction to a whole new level. I mean, seriously, we're going up, so stay tuned. Hi, this is Paul from CountryCraziness.com. If you're serious or maybe just a bit curious about post-frame construction, tractors, and homesteading, well, you've come to my safe place. Why not subscribe, tap the bell, and join in on the conversation? Perma Column is the permanent foundation system that combines the lasting durability of precast concrete with the value of post-frame construction. Perma Column precast concrete columns will never rot or leach toxic chemicals into the soil, providing you a lasting foundation that will exist in harmony with the land for generations to come. Perma Column piers are precast concrete reinforced with 60,000 pound PSI rebar welded to a 1/4-inch bracket. This patented combination of concrete, steel, and wood makes Perma Column a solution for homes and all types of agricultural buildings. Perma Column is backed by a lifetime warranty. In addition, it has optional uplift anchors and optional column extenders. Sturdy wall system allows for post-frame construction on traditional concrete foundations. They're constructed of 100% American-made 1/4-inch steel that's robotically welded and finished with a tough powder coat. Install these engineered brackets with a masonry drill bit and concrete anchors. The anchors are sold by the company. Sturdy Wall Plus Anchor Brackets is a system that allows for post-frame construction on traditional concrete foundations. They're constructed of 100% American-made 1/4-inch steel, robotically welded and finished with a tough powder coat. This provides the ultimate strength connection to your foundation, but requires installation while the concrete is still wet. Perma Column makes a handy guide that you can print up, take to your builder, and discuss your options.